Around Concord and Grand Central, blasting through Forest Hills. Long Beach to Penn Station. It's operating about 8 minutes late. Grand Central to Far Rockaway, blasting through. And that gust of wind's like a jump scare every time. That's Hempstead. Hempstead to Grand Central, I believe. Blasting through. This wasn't on the schedule. I don't know where this is. I think it's no passengers. Probably just deadheading. Grand Central to Ronkonkoma, blasting through. Oh boy, here comes the wind. Oh. I gotta take my hat off every time one of these comes by, otherwise it's just gonna blow away.